Hi everyone, welcome to GMR Academy. Today we are going to learn regular and irregular verbs. Then while let's begin. Regular and irregular verb forms. Past verb V2 and past participle verb V3 are formed by adding ed form to the present verb V1 are called regular verbs. Present verb V1, past verb V2, past participle verb V3. Examples: appoint plus ed, appointed, appointed. Finish plus ed form, finished, finished. Look plus ed form, looked, looked. Wash plus ed form, washed, washed. So these are all the examples and so on for regular verbs. Let's see irregular verbs. The verb forms such as present verb V1, past verb V2 and past participle verb V3 forms are different from each other are called irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are listed in a tabular form. Let's see. Abide, which means stand. Abode, abode, V2 forms and V3 forms. Like this. Arise, which means to start. V2 form arose, V3 form arisen. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, not sleep. Awoke, awoken, or awake, awaked, awaked. Be, was, been. Next one, bear, which means deal with. V2 form bore, born, V3 form. Bear, bore, born. Beat, which means hit. Beat, beat, beaten. Become, to start to be. Become, became, become. Befall, to happen. Befall, befell, befallen. Beget, to become the father of a child. Beget, begot, begot or begotten. Behold, to look at. Behold, beheld, beheld. Bend, to lean. Bend, bent, bent. Next one, beseech, which means beg or request. Beseech, beseeched, beseeched, or beseech, besought, besought. Bet, to risk money on a race. Bet, bet, bet. Three forms are same. Bid, command. Bid, bade, bidden. Bid, which means offer. Bid, bid, bid. Three forms are same. Bind, to tie with. Bind, bound, bound. Next one, bite, use teeth to cut. Bite, bit, bitten. Next one, bleed, to lose blood. Bleed, bled, bled. B-L-E-D, B-L-E-D. Blow, B-L-O-W, blow, to send air from the mouth. Blow, blew, B-L-E-W, blew, blown, B-L-O-W-N. Blow, blew, blown. Break, to be damaged. Break, broke, broken. Breed, to keep animals or plants in order to produce young ones. Breed, bread, B-R-E-D, bread, B-R-E-D, bread. Breed, bread, bread. Bring, to come to a place with somebody. Bring, brought, brought. Next one. Broadcast, to send out programs on television or radio. Broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Three forms are same. Build, to create or develop. Build, built, built. Burn, B-U-R-N, burn, to produce flames and heat. Burn, burned, burned, or burn, burnt, burnt. Burst, B-U-R-S-T, burst, to break open or apart. Burst, burst, burst. Three forms are same. Buy, to get something by paying. Buy, bought, bought. cast, cast, to look or smile, etc., in a particular direction. Cast, 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 three forms are same. Catch, to stop and hold a moving object or person. Catch, caught, caught. Chide, to criticize or blame. Chide, chide, chid, 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 chidden, chidden. Choose, to prefer or decide to do. Choose, chose, chosen. Cleave, to split or cut. Cleave, clove, clove, clove or cleft or cleft. Third form, cloven, cleft. Cleave, clove, cloven. Cleave, cleft, cleft. Next one, cling, to hold on tightly. Clung, clung, cling, clung, clung. Clothed, clothe, clothed, to dress somebody. Clothed, 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 or clothed, clad, clad. Next one, come, to move to. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, the amount of money you buy. Cost, 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 three forms are same. Creep, to move slowly, quietly, and carefully. Creep, crept, crept. Crow, to make repeated loud high sounds. Crow, crowed, crowed, or crow, crew, crowed. Next one, cut, to divide something into two or more pieces. Cut, cut, cut. Three forms are same. Dare, to be brave enough to do something. Dare, dared, dared. Deal, to agree the business agreement. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, to make a hole in the ground. Dig, dug, dug. Next one, do, to refer to actions. Do, did, done. Next one, draw, to make picture with a pencil. Draw, drew, 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 drawn, drawn, drawn. Next one, dream, to experience a series of images, events, and feelings in your mind while you are asleep. Dream, dreamed, dreamed, or dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, a liquid for drinking. Drink, drank, drunk. Next one, drive, to operate a vehicle so that it goes. Drive, drove, driven. Next one, dwell, to live somewhere. Dwell, dwelled, dwelled, or dwell, dwelt, dwelt. Next one, eat, to put food in your mouth. Eat, ate, eaten. Next one, fall, to drop down from a higher level to a lower level. Fall, fell, fallen. Next one, feed, to give food to a person or an animal. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, to experience a particular feeling or emotion. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, to take a part in a war or battle against an enemy. Fight, fought, fought. Find, to discover somebody or something unexpectedly or by chance. Find, found, found. Flee, to leave a person or place very quickly, especially because you are afraid of possible danger. Flee, fled, fled. Fling, 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 which means to throw or push somebody or something with force. Fling, flung, flung. Next one, fly, to move through the air using wings. Fly, flew, 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 flown, flown, flown. Fly, flew, flown. Forbear, 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 to stop yourself from saying or doing. Forbear, forbore, forborne, forborne. Forbid, 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 to order somebody not to do something. Forbid, forbade, F-O-R-B-A-D, forbade, forbidden, F-O-R-B-I-D-D-E-N. Next one, forget, to not remember to do something, forget, forgot, forgot, or forgotten. Forgive, to stop to feel resentment against an offender, forgive, forgave, forgiven. Next one, forsake, to stop doing something or leave something, synonym, renounce, forsake, forsook, forsaken. Next one, freeze, to become ice, freeze, froze, frozen. Get, to receive or obtain, get, got, got, or gotten. Give, to provide, give, gave, given. Go, to move or travel from one place to another, go, went, gone. Grind, to break into small pieces, grind, ground, ground. Grow, to increase in size, number, strength, or quality, grow, grew, G-R-E-W, grew, grown, G-R-O-W-N. Hang, to attach something from top, hang, hanged, hanged, or hang, hung, hung. Have, to own, hold, or possess something, have, had, had. Hear, to be aware of sounds with your ears, hear, heard, heard, H-E-R-D, heard, H-E-R-D, heard. Next one, hide, to put or keep somebody, something in a place where they or it can be seen or found, hide, hid, hidden. Next one, hit, touch somebody or something with force, hit, hit, hit. Three forms are same. Hold, to have somebody or something in your hand, hold, held, held. Next one, hurt, to cause physical pain, hurt, hurt, hurt. Three forms are same. Next, keep, to put or store something in a particular place, keep, kept, kept. Kneel, to stand on knees, kneel, knelt, knelt. Next one, know, K-N-O-W, to realize, understand, or be aware of something, know, knew, K-N-E-W, knew, known, K-N-O-W-N. Lay, L-A-Y, lay, put down, spread, lay, laid, laid. Lie, L-I-E, is a verb form of a person or an animal. To be or put yourself in a flat position so that you are not standing or sitting. Lie, lay, lain, L-A-I-N. Lead, show the way, lead, led, led. Learn, L-E-R-N, learn, to gain knowledge or skill by studying, learn, learned, learned, or learn, learnt, learnt. Next, leap, to jump high or a long way, leap, leaped, leaped, L-E-A-P-E-D, L-E-A-P-E-D, or leap, leapt, L-E-P-T, L-E-A-P-T, L-E-A-P-T. Leap, leapt, leapt. Lean, be bound or move from a straight position to a sloping position, lean, leaned, leaned, or lean, lent, lent, L-E-A-N-T. Leave, to go away from a place, leave, left, left. Next, lend, to give something, lend, lent, lent. Let, making suggestions or offering help, let, let, let. Three forms are same. Next one, light, the energy from the sun or a lamp. Light, lighted, lighted, or light, lit, lit. Next one, lose, L-O-S-E, lose, to be unable to find something or somebody. Lose, lost, last. Make, to create or prepare something. Make, made, made. Next one, mean, have as meaning. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, to be in the same place as somebody by chance and talk to them. Meet, met, met. Next one, pay, to give somebody money for work. Pay, paid, paid. Put, to move something into a particular place or position. Put, put, put. Three forms are same. Read, to look at and understand the meaning of written or printed words or symbol. Read, read, read. R-E-A-D, R-E-A-D, R-E-A-D. Spellings R-E-A-D, R-E-A-D, R-E-A-D. Pronunciation read, read, read. Rend, R-E-N-D, rend, to tear something apart with force or violence. Rend, rent, rent. Rid, to be free of. R-I-D, rid, rid, rid. Three forms are same. Ride, to sit on an animal, especially a horse, and control it as it moves. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, to produce a sound when you hit the bell. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, R-I-S-E, move upwards. Rise, rose, risen. Run, move fast on foot. Run, ran, run. Say, to speak to or tell. Say, said, said. See, to become aware of by using eyes. See, saw, seen. Seek, to look for somebody or something. Seek, sought, sought. Next one, sell, to give something to somebody in exchange for money. Sell, sold, sold. Next one, send, to make something go. Send, sent, sent. Set, to prepare or arrange something so that it is ready for use or in position. Set, set, set. Three forms are same. Shake, to move with short quick movements from side to side or up and down. Shake, shook, shaken. Shear, S-H-E-A-R, shear, to cut the wool of a sheep. Shear, sheared, S-H-E-A-R-E-D, sheared, sheared, or S-H-O-R-N, shown. Shear, sheared, sheared. Shed, to get rid of something. Shed, shed, shed. Three forms are same. Shine, to produce or reflect light or to be bright. Shine, shone, shone. Next one, shoot, to fire a gun or other weapon. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, to make something clear. Show, showed, showed, or shown. Shrink, to become smaller, especially for cloth. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Shut, S-H-U-T, shut, to close something. Shut, shut, shut. Three forms are same. Sing, an act of singing. Sing, sang, sung. Sink, to go down towards bottom of a liquid. Sink, sank, sunk. Next one, sit, to rest your weight on your bottom with your back straight. Sit, sat, sat. Next one, slay, to kill somebody. S-L-A-Y. slay, slew, 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 slain, slain, slay, slew, slain. Next one, sleep, to rest with your eyes closed and your mind and body not active. Sleep, slept, slept. Slide, to move easily over a smooth. Slide, slid, slid. Slink, to move somewhere very quietly and slowly. Synonym, creep. Slink, slunk, 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 slunk. Slink, slunk, slunk. Slit, slit, slit. To make a long, narrow cut or opening. Slit, slit, slit. Three forms are same. Smell, to have a particular smell. Smell, smelled, smelled, or smell, smelt, smelt. Next one, smite, smite, to hit somebody hard. Smite, smote, smot, smote, smitten, smitten. SOW, sow, to plant or spread seeds in or on the ground. So, sowed, 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 or SOW, sown. Speak, to talk to somebody. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speed, to move along quickly. Speed, speeded, speeded, or speed, sped, sped. Spell, to say or written the letters of a word in the correct order. Spell, spelled, spelled, or spell, spelt, spelt. Next one, spend, to give money to pay for goods service. Spend, spent, spent. Spill, to flow over the edge of a container by accident. Spill, spilled, spilled, or spill, split, split. Next one, spin, spun, spun. Spin, which means turn round quickly. Next one, spit, 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 to force liquid, food, etc. out of your mouth. Spit, spat, spat. Next one, split, 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 to divide. Split, split, split. Three forms are same. Spread, to open or expand over a large area. Spread, spread, spread. Three forms are same. Spring, to jump or move suddenly. Spring, sprang, sprung. SPRUNG. Stand, to be on your feet. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, 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 to make something from a person without permission. Steal, stole, stolen. Stick, to fix something to something else. Stick, stuck, stuck. Sting, 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 to touch your skin or make a very small hole in it so that you feel a sharp pain. Sting, stung, stung. Stink, 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 to have a strong, unpleasant smell. Stink, stank, stunk. Stink, stunk, stunk. Strew, 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 to cover a surface with things. Synonym, scatter. Strew, strewed, 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 strewn, STREWN. Strike, to hit somebody. Strike, struck, struck. String, 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 to hang or tie something in place, especially as decoration. String, strung, strung. Strive, to try very hard to achieve something. Strive, strove, striven, STRIVEN. Swear, to make a serious promise to do. Swear, swore, sworn. Sweep, to clean a room or surface, etc. using a broom. Sweep, swept, swept. Swell, to become bigger or rounder. Swell, swelled, swelled, or swollen. Swim, to move through water by moving your arms and legs. Swim, swam, swum. SWAM, SWUM, swum. take, to carry things. Take, took, taken. Next one, teach, to give lessons to students. Teach, taught, taught. Tear, T-E-A-R, tear, to damage something by pulling it apart. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, to speak with or to speak to. Tell, told, told. Think, to have a particular idea or opinion about something. Think, thought, thought. Throw, T-H-R-O-W, throw, to send something from your hand quickly. Throw, through, T-H-R-E-W, through. Thrown, T-H-R-O-W-N. Throw, through, thrown. Thrust, T-H-R-U-S-T, thrust. To push something or somebody suddenly or violently. Thrust, thrust, thrust. Three forms are same. Tread, T-R-E-A-D, tread, to put your foot down while you are stepping or walking. Tread, trod, T-R-O-D, trod, T-R-O-D-D-N, trodden or trod. Tread, trod, trod. Understand, to know or realize the meaning of words, a language. Understand, understood, understood. Undertake, to make yourself responsible for something. Undertake, undertook, undertaken. Wake, to stop sleeping. Wake, waked, waked, or wake, woke, woken. Wear, W-E-A-R, wear, to have something on your body as a piece of clothing. Wear, wore, worn. Weave, to make a cloth, a carpet, a basket, etc. by crossing threads. Weave, wove, woven. Weave, wove, woven. Weep, to cry, usually because you are sad. Weep, wept, wept. Next one, wet, cover with or containing liquid, especially water. Wet, wetted, wept, or wet, wet, wept. Win, to be the most successful. Win, won, won, W-O-N, W-O-N. Ring, W-R-I-N-G, ring, to twist and squeeze wet clothes, to take out of water. Ring, rung, W-R-U-N-G, rung, W-R-U-N-G, rung. Ring, rung, rung. Write, W-R-I-T, write, to make letters or numbers on a surface, especially using a pen or pencil. Write, wrote, written. Dear children, I hope you understand regular verbs and irregular verbs. I request you all to subscribe to my channel GMR Academy, like the video and share the video link with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell button for more updates. Thank you all. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.